All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So actually, in reality. So actually, I will teach more lessons. I think it could actually work. That could actually work. When we go there, it might already be open, actually. In reality, in the truth. Yeah. So actually, I just want one, please. Actually, one, please. She actually went there. She actually said it. He actually did it. He actually did it. That's amazing. Yeah. So I know the actual route. I actually know where we are going. Yeah, I know where we're going. They know the secret, actually. Yeah, they know it. She will go with him. Actually, he can cook the food very well. It will actually work. It might work if we did this, actually. If we did this, actually, it might work. If we did this, actually, it might work. Yeah. How cool is that? He thought she said it. She actually said it. He thought she actually said it. Yeah? When actually they said it. They said it instead. I'm learning Spanish and I actually enjoy it. I'm actually planning to start learning Arabic when I have got my Spanish to a certain level. Yeah, it depends. How cool is that? Soon they will actually be here. They will actually come here. They will actually come here. I am surprised. They're actually coming here. They're actually coming here for real. Actually coming here. For real? Wow. Wow. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So actually, so in reality. Now, can you use actually in a sentence? And can you comment? Write the sentence in the comments below. And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.